Igsuon last video naghisgot ta about sa ants o cones. Karon maghisgot na pud tag locust. Ingon ang Proverbs chapter 30 verse number 27, the locusts have no king, yet go they forth all of them by bands. Unsay wisdom nga makuha nato sa locust? Number 1, order without chaos. Even without a king, locusts have structure. Igsuon sa atong Kristohanong kinabuhi, this reflects how God can bring order to our lives even when we don't see how it's happening. Pasabot ba nga saligan nato ang Ginoo sa iyang paglihok sa atong kinabuhi? Ikaduha nga wisdom nga makuha nato sa locust is strength in numbers. Igsuon, individually a locust is weak, but as a swarm they can change landscape. Unsay pasabot ani? Isolation leads to weakness, but community strengthens your walk with God. Just like locusts gain impact when moving together, kita Kristohanon thrive when united. Ikatulo nga wisdom nga makuha nato sa locust is obedience without visible leadership. Locusts follow the instinct and design. As a Christian, we are led by the Holy Spirit even if we don't see the King, but we follow a divine guide. Igsuon, we are called to walk in the Spirit, o si Jesus Christ ang atong unseen King. Muna igsuon, be wise like a locust. Thank you and God bless us all.